Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is confusing us again. Gold is stuck in a range here. Okay, we have 4120 at the top, and we have 3940 at the bottom. And this is the range of gold right now. As I have already posted on the group as well, that my dear friends, right now we need to plan our trading strategy on gold in two parts. The first part is, okay, when gold is trading inside the range, means when gold is trading between 4120 and 3940. Okay, that is first part. And the second part will be when gold will be out of the range. So right now gold is inside the range, so we won't be discussing part 2, means when gold will go for a breakout or when gold will be going down below 4000. No, we are not discussing that part. Right now we are only concerned with this particular portion of the market, because right now we can clearly see that gold is inside the range, and market is inside the range means there is no clarity in the direction of the market. Okay, so at this moment we can see that right now gold is running around 4036 4040 at the time of recording the video, and we have seen earlier also that when gold is around 4000, trading becomes a mess, because there is no guarantee about the direction of the market. Sometimes you will see gold is trading below 4000, sometimes gold is above 4000. Overall it's a mess, and right now we are passing through the storm or the mess right now. So you can see here I have drawn few arrows. Let's discuss one by one. So opportunity number one is taking a sell below 4014. We have a minor support around 4014 area. Okay, you can see the green line here. We have a minor support. So during the day we can expect a breakdown. You can see I have drawn, okay, I have drawn what? I have drawn lower highs here. Means if you see the market is forming lower highs, then there is a possibility that market may break 4014. Keep in mind, okay, market is inside the range. I am not saying that if market breaks 4014, gold will be going to 3950. No, we are day traders here. So if market breaks 4014, we can expect $10 or 100, around 80 to 100 pips. So if market breaks 4014, forming lower highs, we can look for a sell position. Okay, or if you see the market is consolidating around 4020, 4025, then also we can expect a breakdown below 4014. That is opportunity number one. The second opportunity is liquidity grab. You can see here, okay, suppose market drops suddenly, okay, and you see the market has hit the support of market has hit 4010, 4009. That doesn't mean that market is breaking. No, structure is important. Okay. If you see the market is coming up again, then you can go for a buy above 4015, so or 4014. So here 4014 is going to play a major role for the day traders. Why? Because we can take a sell below 4014 if you see the market is forming lower highs. Okay, on the other hand, okay, if market drops without any proper market structure, then we can expect the market to come up again. When market will be coming up again after liquidity grab, we can look for a buy position above 4014. In a previous video, we also discussed about support zones around 398380, 3965, then 395248. The blue line here is the 398380. The dotted line that you see here is the 65 area, and the yellow box at the bottom is 5248. So these three support levels are still very much valid in the market. So if market comes down, you can look for a buy position or a one-time bounce around these areas. Keep in mind, volume always play a crucial role. Suppose you see the market has formed a big red candle, there is a sudden selling pressure in the market. अगर अचानक से सेल आ जाता है, use your common sense, do not sell. Having a level, that doesn't mean that you'll have to buy. No, if market takes support, then only hit the buy button. Okay, so we have three support levels: 83.80, 65, and 50 to 48. So if you see a market is coming down with small candles, you can look for a buy position. Then we have the second scenario for market going up. So at the top, as we all know, 4120, 4104. The yellow box that you see here is standing as a resistance. So it's quite far from the current market price. But in case market goes up, then yes, we can also look for a selling opportunity around this area as well. In case market breaks also 4120, okay, I feel that market will be coming down again after some SL hunting. So if it does, we can look for a sell around this area as well. I'm not going to talk about any breakout or breakdown here, because right now I don't think the market is going below 3940 or 4120 at the time of recording the video. If the situation changes during the day, then obviously I'll be updating in the WhatsApp group or the Telegram group as well. But as of now, market is stuck inside the range. So in this type of situation, trading opportunities are not very reliable. So please be careful. And if you're a beginner, unable to understand the market direction and condition right now, then it will be better for you to look for opportunities outside gold, because the goal is to make money, isn't it? It's not a good thing that you need to be loyal to gold, but you are losing money, but you need to loyal. No, that's not the thing.